May 14, 1996, Venice, Italy. A team of vintage biplanes soared through a series of rolls, spins, and loops. And then, without warning, Italian aviation officials determined the gusting winds caused two of the planes to collide. What at first appears as a harmless touch sends the yellow biplane into an out-of-control nosedive. Rescue teams responded immediately. The pilot was thrown out of the cockpit by the impact. He's seen here floating on the wing of the aircraft. Miraculously, he suffers only lacerations to his arms and face and 2 broken ribs.